Namaskara friends. Welcome back to my channel where knowledge meets fun and facts become unforgettable. Today, we take a virtual tour across the globe, visiting 26 unique countries, one for every letter of the alphabet. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, from the snowy lands of the north to the deserts of the east, each country has a story, a strength, and a spotlight moment. So buckle up and let's begin our alphabetical world tour with A. Australia, a land of natural wonders and D. Unique wildlife. From the Great Barrier Reef to the Sydney Opera House, Australia blends modern living with breathtaking nature. B. Brazil, home to the Amazon rainforest and the Carnival of Rio, Brazil is full of life, color, and rhythm. C. Canada, the second largest country in the world, known for its stunning landscapes and peaceful lifestyle. Canada is a tech leader and a global peace ambassador. D. Denmark, ranked as one of the happiest countries in the world. Denmark is famous for its clean cities, Viking history, and wind energy innovation. E. Egypt, the land of pyramids and pharaohs. Egypt's ancient civilization shaped science, astronomy, and architecture. F. France. Bonjour. France is known for its fashion, art, the Eiffel Tower, and of course, world-class cuisine. G. Germany. Europe's powerhouse economy and the land of innovation, engineering, and Oktoberfest. H. Hungary, a beautiful blend of Eastern and Western Europe with rich traditions and D. Famous thermal spas. I. India, a land of diversity in culture, languages, and traditions. From yoga to zero, India gave the world so much more than we realize. J. Japan, where ancient temples meet futuristic robots. Japan is a tech leader and deeply rooted in discipline and tradition. K. Kenya, known for its amazing wildlife and the Great Rift Valley. Kenya is a top destination for safari lovers. L. Lebanon, a land of rich culture and ancient cities. Lebanon's history goes back thousands of years to Phoenician civilization. M. Mexico, tacos, mariachi music, and ancient Aztec pyramids. Mexico is full of flavor and history. N. Nepal, home to the world's highest mountain, Mount Everest. Nepal is a peaceful land of temples and trekking trails. O. Oman, an Arabian treasure known for its beautiful deserts, coastline, and ancient forts. P. Portugal, the birthplace of great explorers like Vasco da Gama. Portugal is a land of historic cities and Atlantic beauty. Q. Qatar, a rapidly developing Middle Eastern nation known for futuristic cities and hosting the FIFA World Cup 2022. R. Russia, the largest country in the world with diverse landscapes, from Siberian ice to warm Black Sea shores. S. Spain, flamenco dancing, bullfighting, and stunning architecture. Spain is passion in motion. T. Thailand, a land D of temples, elephants, and tropical beaches. Thailand is a tourism hotspot loved for its hospitality and cuisine. U. Uganda, known as the Pearl of Africa, Uganda is rich in biodiversity and home to rare mountain gorillas. V. Vietnam, a land of rice terraces, rivers, and resilience. Vietnam has a growing economy and deep cultural roots. W. Western Sahara, disputed territory. A land of desert and political complexity, still fighting for identity and recognition. X. No sovereign crown. Try starts with X. But regions like Xinjiang, part of China, are known for cultural diversity and rich history. Y. Yemen. One of the oldest centers of civilization in the Middle East. Yemen's architecture and ancient cities are unmatched. Z. Zimbabwe. Home to Victoria Falls and rich in minerals. Zimbabwe's landscapes and history are deeply rooted in African culture. Which country amazed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more knowledge-packed journeys right here on